How can I dance with this knock on my hip? Like, boy, better run, better dip. Like, boy, better dump if I slip. He can just shot to the head if you trip. He tried to bend on my block, but I missed. That nigga was lucky, I ain't had a grip. Ever since been stuck to my head, told them niggas slide back, and now he on the list. Told them niggas is bounce, them niggas get active. He got shot and took it on the high. Those bitches as much as be.
So first, we're gonna get into this key, right? You want to turn the lights on? That's A. A turns the lights on and off. You want to switch the brightness? That's B. You want to go low dim? You could go low. You want to go bright? You could go all the way bright. C changes the color. Red, blue, green, white, pink, purple. They got a lot of colors. If you want to switch like the little mode, D is how you do that. You want to change the lights to flashing lights. You want to have a few colors flashing at the same time. Strobe light effect, party lights, really anything. This key is supposed to have like this little black thing at the top that you slide down and up to use the buttons, but mine's clearly broke off.
P28, 140 pushing like I wanna race. I got a baddie, take it to the face.
Alright, yo. We reviewing the best, cheapest Underglow kit. So, first of all, we just gonna start off by saying this shit was cheap as shit. Everybody talk about the low glow Underglow kit. Man, that shit, if you wanna pay fucking $100+, go ahead. This shit is by a company called Govee, I don't fucking know. This shit was like $40 on Amazon. From no cap. $40 on Amazon. Let's talk about the placement and install. I got them right under this little side skirt or whatever the fuck you call that shit. I don't fucking know. Rested that right there. There's no wires behind here. To the wires, you can see it from right here. I got it running through the back. I got it tucked in. Came out from here. I glued it on throughout here. Tucked it in a little bit. And yeah. I don't got no underliner for my wheel. So I had to zip tie that to a whole bunch of shit in there. No cap. So on the front here, I got it right under the bumper. I got the little groove to it. It already comes with 3M tape on the light, so you don't gotta add no 3M tape or nothing. Watch, let me show you real quick. So right here in the back, you can see this. You can see this right here. It's starting to fall off, you know? Everything else is still sticky, so that's Gucci. They give you holes and they give you some little screws so you can screw it into your bumper so that don't happen. But I'm just an idiot. So rain that under the bumper, wires is coming through up. Same shit. Through the underliner. I got my underliner for this wheel though, so it's where it comes through the bumper. Then it's tucked all the way down there. Don't pay attention to that shit, but it's tucked all the way down there. And then the same shit through that side skirt. And then you come through here. As soon as I came to the back, these wires are now zip tied to my brake lines.
What? What the f?
So if you do what I did, you better hope these lights don't fall off one day and rip your brake line off, because I got them shit zip tied.
Nice.
I don't even know where them shits is. Yeah, you can see it right there. I got them zip tied to a whole bunch of shit back there. If you want to be like me, you could, but fuck it. They said if you wired it to the battery, you can't do what I'm doing right now and have your lights on while the car's off. I don't know how true that is, but I'm not about to be the one to test it out, so I wired it up front. Like, let me show you. They also came with an app on your phone to use. I'm about to show you guys that in a second. If you guys want to learn how to make a hot air intake, I got the video up on my channel. Go watch that. I'm supposed to make a heat shield, but that was too much work, and I already get mad airflow from the no underliner, so I'll do that later. So the wires in the box is all tucked under there. Then I got them coming through some slot by the headlight. All the wires are zip tied to these lines, and I got them running to the positive and negative terminals. I got this one wrapped around the positive terminal, and I got this one just under a screw. I unbolted that, put it under, and bolted it back on. The box, I put some 3M tape under here for the box, and I also added some like welding glue or whatever it is. So that shit's secure. That shit's not going nowhere. God damn. Oh. I might have to come here later. All right. But honestly, for $40, how are you beating this? Please tell me. How are you beating this? You're paying $100 for the same thing. It literally does the same thing. It comes with an app and all that. Oh my God, where did the key go? All right, boom. So yeah, this is how you turn it on and off. This is the brightness to it. This right here is different colors. As you can see. This one right here is different modes. I don't know what kind of demonic shit this is. We got the Bmw.
Hey yo, what the fuck?
Oh shit. Kind of fuck with that. I don't know what it's called, but it's cool. Alright, nah, they fucked it up, alright. What are you bumbleclads? Like, you feel me, bro? $40, you're not beating this. You're not beating this. Go get that low glow kit for 100 plus. Yo, Goovy, Go. I don't know what the name is, but I think I need a sponsorship after this. I think sales skyrocketed. Like, you feel me? You got everything. You want to change it back to the regular colors now? Now it's solid colors. You feel me? You can't go wrong. You can't go wrong at all. Bro, you trying to come start your build? This is the best shit you could get. Why not, right? I'm gonna show you how it looks super dark at nighttime too. Alright, now this is how the app look. As you can see, Twinsky. So you gotta have your Bluetooth connected. Bluetooth's connected. You can turn them on and off from here. That shit took forever. Now it's off. Click on. Turn it on. So you can play with the brightness. You can play with the modes the same way on the remote. You can choose whatever color. You could go to the color wheel. Just play around with it. You just do anything at this point. I don't know what I just did, but so you can choose which lights you want to change to those colors, and I just changed them back red. Okay. Now, okay, I'm learning as we go. Now just. Alright, yeah. I don't know. So yeah, for me, you could do the scenes. This is called Sunset. Sunset. Reverse. There's a whole bunch of different scenes you can play around with. You can change the mode of the themes. Man, there's just so much to do on this app. You gotta come check this out yourself. I ain't gonna lie. Time, this bitch took me at least 45 minutes to an hour.
X9. Yo, bitch, you can run if you want. Breezy, gang. Gang, 328, 140 40 pushing like I wanna race. I got a baddie, take it to the face. I put your card and play it like an ace. She got a nigga, no he can't relate. I had to show him he could get replaced. Like I'ma up and spray like it's mace. Beam up on his figgy, I won't leave a trace. Oh, you got that side, I heard you got a strain. Sprint to that block, I'm looking for that chain. Why these niggas switch up on you for some change? Up and hit his body, watch him rearrange. Homie got hit and you ain't do a thing. Got in the stew, that nigga made a track. Go and grab a nigga, go get back. Bitch, I made a couple that we off the trap. Pops told me be a king of